Today I would like to introduce first chapter of Max 1, which is linear equation in two variables. The definition of linear equation in two variables is any equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called as linear equation in two variables. Two variables means there are two variables. These are all values a, b and c. Condition given is a, b and c should be real numbers. Means it should not be 0. And a and b must not be 0. Must not be 0. I would like to give an example in a Maharashtra board. It is solved in 4 ways. These examples can be solved in 4 ways. I would like to introduce you with that examples now. Suppose I've got two equations. Equations are very simple, as I am just introducing it to you. X plus y is equal to 4, and the second equation which I am going to take is x minus y is equal to 2. So these are the two equations. We can solve it in 4 ways. First way is elimination method. Second is substitution method. I am sorry for my writing, it's a bit tough to understand, but then also. Third is graphical method. And fourth is Cramer's rule. Once again I would like to tell, this is just an introductory lecture, so please be careful and be attentive. This might help you in your future for solving the problems. See, within just a single frame, I am just going to explain how we can solve these equations by the 4 ways. First, equation 1 is x plus, this is solution, x plus y is equal to 4. This is my equation number 1. And x minus y is equal to 2. This will be my equation number 2. So we are just going to eliminate a variable. Since there are two variables, one is x and the other one is y. So elimination is very easy here. What I am going to do, I am just going to subtract, we are not going to subtract, we will add them up. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So this will become x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 2. Plus y minus y will be cancelled since we are adding them. So 4 plus 2 will be 6 and x will give us 2x because we know that 1 is here. So x will be is equal to 6 divided by 2 and that gives me 3. 2 3s are 6. So we have got x is equal to 3. This is my value for first variable. Now I am just going to substitute this value in any of the equation, either it is equation 1 or equation 2. I am just going to substitute it in the equation 1. Substituting the value of x in equation 1. So what is my equation 1? It is x plus y is equal to 4. So that will become 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to, this is plus 3 here. When it goes from left hand side to right hand side, it will become minus 3. Y will be is equal to 4 minus 3 will be 1. So we have got the answers as 3 and 1. This is one method, that is called as elimination. Same equation, I will be using it for substitution method. In this, we can write both. I'll write both the equations. X plus y is equal to 4, and second equation is x minus y is equal to 2. I'll just number them. I'll do it here only. This is my equation 1, and this will be my equation 2. Solution. So now what will happen? I'll just write down writing equation 1 in the form of x. So this will become x plus y is equal to 4. when we will write this in the form of x, it will become x is equal to 4 minus 1. This will my equation 3. Substituting value of x, I have got a value of x now with the variable y. I will substitute this value of x in equation 2. Substituting the value of x in equation 2. So this will become, I will write down the equation 2 first, is equal to 2. So what's the value of x? It is 4 minus y. Minus y is equal to 2. Minus y and minus y will be minus 2y. This will be 2 and this 4 comes here. And when it shifts from left to right, it will become, it is plus 4, it will be minus 4 now. Minus 2y is equal to, what is 2 minus 4? Minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 upon minus 2. Y will be is equal to 1 because this and this get cancelled. 2 ones are 2. So I have got the value of 1. I will just simply substitute this value of y in equation 3. Substituting value of y in equation 3. So I will write down the equation 3 here. X is equal to 4 minus y. And I'll just write down the value of y here. What is 4 minus 1 ka value, y ka value is 1. X will be is equal to 3. So I have got down the value of x and y. Both are same. So the answer is 3 and 1. I'll write down answer here. This is also answer. Now I'll solve these equations in the form of graphical method. Okay. So the two equations what I have here is x plus y is equal to 4. This is my equation 1. And the second equation is x minus y is equal to 2. This is my equation number 2. First of all, we are supposed to write it in the form of table. First equation ko we will be writing down it in the form of a table. I'll just make a table. Table should be like this. Three values are okay. X, y, x, y. This is my equation. I'll just simplify it. X is equal to 4 minus y. I'll just assume the values of y. If suppose I'm taking y as 0, what will be 4 minus 0? It will be 4. See that you are not taking the numbers very large, more than 7. If you are going to take it more than 7 or 8, or the paper will be not that much big that you cannot plot it in the paper. So you are just supposed to take the value small or go accordingly what will be suitable with you with your graph paper. And second value I am going to take is 1. So that will be 3. 4 minus 1 will give us 3. I write down the values 4 and 0, 3 and 1. What will I take? I will take it as 2. What will be 4 minus 2? It will be 2. So this is 2 and 2. I will go with the second equation now. X minus y is equal to 2. Writing it in the simpler form. 2 plus y. I will make the table now. It is 3 by 4. It is like this. This is x, this is y, x and y. So here what I am going to assume y is, whatever I am going to assume y, it will be added. So first of all I am going to take y as 0. So what will be 2 plus 0? It will be 2. So this will be 2 and 0. Suppose I am going to take it 1, it will become 3. 2 plus 1 will be, here we are going to substitute the value of y. Suppose I have taken 1. What will be 2 plus 1? It will be 3. So this is 3 and 1. Next I will take it as minus 1. So what will be 2 minus 1? 1. So this is 1 minus 1. I am going to plot this here only. Right now I do not have any graph paper. It's just an introductory lecture. So x, y, x dash, y dash, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Y, I think that is more than enough. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. What is first point here? It's 4 and 0. I'll just plot it here. 4 and 0. 3 minus 1. This is like this. 2, 2, 2, 2. It's like this here. I've just plotted it. I'll make a straight line. Second is 2 and 0. It's here. 3, 1. 3 and 1. It is like here. And 1 and minus 1. 1 minus 1. This is 1 and minus 1. So the line which coincides each other is our answer. What is our answer? It is 3. On x it is coinciding on 3 and on y it is coinciding on 1. You can see the answers both are same. All the three answers are same. So that is right. I'll just go with the Cramer's rule now. That's the fourth one. Cramer's rule, once again it's very easy. I'll give you some hint to by heart that thing. Let me solve it. This is the design. See, once again I'm going to write down the equation. It is x plus y is equal to 4. It is equation 1. So here it is in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So here, since it is in equation 1, I'll write it down as a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1, and c1 is equal to 4. Next is second equation, x minus y is equal to 2. So this will be a2. This is my equation number 2. So everything will be 2 only. a2 is equal to 1. b2 is equal to minus 1 and c2 will be is equal to 2. Now, we are supposed to find out the value of D. So how I remember D as? It is Amitabh Bachchan. Dawn में Amitabh Bachchan था. I remember it in that way. So this is A, B, A, B. Dawn में Amitabh Bachchan था. A1, A2, B1, B2. I think that you might be knowing how to solve this kind of discriminant, how to open these values. So I'll just explain it to you. Suppose this is A1, A2, B1, B2. The formula for this is A1, B2 minus B1, A2. This is the way how we are going to solve this thing right now. I'll take the brief lecture in the, of this topic, but not right now. Since this is an introductory lecture, I'm just supposed to cover each and every topic within a short span of time, so that you are not going to waste your time. So what is A1 here? It is 1. A2 here is 1. B1 1. B2 minus 1. 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, and here it is minus 1 is the 1. That will become minus 2. I hope this might be visible to you, but let's see whether, since I have not got the space, next time I will be getting good space. Minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Second is dx. Dx is Chinti Bachchan, CB. CB, C1, C2, B1, B2. It's easy to remember and by heart. Dawn में अमिताभ बच्चन था. Dawn का जब एक्सपर्ट बना तो उसमें चिंटी बच्चन थी. तो what is C1, C2? C1 is 4, C2 is 2, and B1 is 1, and B2 is minus 1. That will be 4 into 1 will be minus 1 minus 2. 4 ones are 4. क्या मेरा multiplication खराब हो गया अभी. 4 ones are 4. Minus 4 and minus 2 will be minus 6. Okay. Now we are just supposed to find out the value of D1. Same here. It is आओ चलें. दोनों जन का पिक्चर देख के आता है, अमिताभ बच्चन और चिंटी बच्चन का. तो आओ चलें. A1, A2, C1, C2. What's A1 here? A1 is 1 and 1. C1, C2, 4 and 2. So this will be is equal to 2 ones are 2 minus 4 ones are 4. Okay? 2 ones are 2 minus 4 ones are 4. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, दया पता लगाना पड़ेगा. B1 B2 is minus 1. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Pause कर. Sorry for the interruption. I thought that I was going wrong, but I am not wrong. So this is 2 and minus 4, that will be minus 2. Now we are just supposed to find out the value of x. So to find out the value of x, we are just supposed to divide dx by d. So what is dx here? It is minus 6 by minus 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 3 are 6, minus and minus get cancelled. This will be answer is 3. And y ka formula is dy upon d. So what is dy? It is minus 2, and the value for d is minus 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled. This is 1. Once again I have got the answer 3 and 1. So ये तो मैंने भी समझा दिया तुम लोगों को. आप लोगों को I have just made you understand that we can solve these equations in all the 4 forms. Yeah, hope so that you have understood. Hoping well for you and for your life. आगे के लेक्चर्स में बनाते ही रहूँगा. Thank you.